Welcome to another video. In this video we will create the project and get start. So before starting, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's go to the terminal and create the Rails project. We can run the Rails new and we can give the project name. I can give it doctors dash patients, and then we are going to use CSS. We are going to use the bootstrap for the CSS, right? And then we are going to use database is Postgres. Okay, so this is the configuration that we can provide while creating the Rails new project. So you can see that CSS is bootstrap and database is Postgres. So before running this command, let's check our Ruby version, RVM or Ruby-V. So Ruby version is 2.6. Let's switch to the latest. Let's say I am using RVM use 3.3.0, right? And then now let's run this command again. I can copy from here and paste it again. So our project is being created. All the default files, the helpers, models and tests are being created. So it is now installing all the default gems. So let's wait for some time. So import map is also installing. Now it is installing the stimulus and the gems. Now it is installing bootstrap CSS. Now it is installing all the dependencies. Okay, now our project is created. Let's clear the logs and cd into doctors dash patients and open it in the VS Code. Let's make it zoom a bit. Okay, let's start our server Rails S, and then we can also use the bin-dev command to start. It will install the foreman and it is listening on this port. Let's copy the URL 127.0.1 and on port 3000. Okay, so our database is not created. Let's create the database. Okay, our project is running fine. So let's create the default page. Let's open it per new tab, and here let's generate a new controller. We'll generate controller, and the controller is home, and for the home I will just create a index method. Okay, so our controller is created. Let's go to our app controllers, and then in the home controller, so you can see that the index method is added. So let's go to the views, and in the home index.html, right? Let's change the text welcome, and let's go to our routes and set the default route to the home page. So by default it is get, but let's set it to the root. So by these changes, if I refresh, so for the root path we have to change this to into hash and refresh. You can see that our index page is loading on the root path. So we can also go to home dash index, but this route is not there. We can also add that one, get slash home dash slash index. So if I refresh, this page is also, route is also working. We can also go to our up path, that is the path that is default. It checks the health, so it's green, everything is working fine. So yeah, that's all for this video, and in the next video we will add the authentication and create the sign up and the login for the user. So that's all for this video. If you want to subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.